You check your bank balance again, and that sinking feeling hits. I don't even know where my money goes. If you're a student, if you try to save but always fail, if money stress quietly sits in the back of your mind while you're studying, scrolling, or trying to sleep, listen carefully. You don't need more money. You need better micro habits. Because money doesn't change through big moves. It changes through tiny decisions repeated daily. And those tiny decisions, they compound faster than you think. Let me show you 9 micro money habits that quietly upgrade your life. Habit 1. Track every penny. Most students don't have a money problem. They have a blindness problem. Money comes in, money goes out, and you don't know where. Your brain hates uncertainty, so when you don't track, it feels broke even when it's not. Solution? Every day, write 2 numbers. Money in, money out. Use notes, an app, or even a small notebook. That simple habit increases awareness immediately. Once you see your spending, you control it. Habit 2. Pay yourself first. Here's the secret most people ignore. Don't save what's left, spend what's left. When money hits your account, move 5 to 10% into savings instantly. Even a tiny amount matters. Your brain adapts to what's left, not what's gone. Years later, that small habit grows into thousands. Compound interest works silently, like magic. Habit 3. Pick a no-thinking spending limit. Decision fatigue kills both motivation and money. Pick a daily or weekly spending limit for snacks, apps, or random buys. Example, I only spend 300 rupees per day on non-essentials. No guilt, no calculations, just a clear boundary. Boundaries reduce stress more than strict budgets ever will. Habit 4. Delay instant gratification. Your brain loves rewards now. Food delivery, impulse shopping, subscriptions you barely use. Rule: wait 24 hours before any non-urgent purchase. Most desires fade naturally, and when they don't, you make a calm, guilt-free decision. This trains your self-control muscle, and self-control is the real secret to financial freedom. Habit 5. Turn saving into a game. Don't just save money, make it fun. Name your goals: emergency fund, laptop fund. Track progress visually. A progress bar, a chart, or even colored sticky notes. Your brain loves progress. When saving feels like leveling up, you'll stick to it without thinking. Habit 6. Automate smart decisions. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is undefeated. Set auto transfers for savings, even tiny amounts weekly or monthly. You don't need motivation. The system does the work for you. This is how wealthy people stay consistent while busy. Habit 7. Learn 1 money concept per week. Knowledge compounds like money. Ignorance compounds like debt. 10 minutes per week. Compound interest, credit cards, index funds, emergency funds. 1 concept per week turns you into a financially smart person in a year without stress or overload. Habit 8. Avoid lifestyle creep. When you earn a little more, your spending grows too. Same happiness, more stress. Lock your lifestyle. Upgrade skills, not spending. Small, consistent habits beat flashy spending every time. Habit 9. Speak kindly about money. If you keep saying, "I'm bad with money," your brain proves you right. Flip the narrative. I'm learning, I'm improving, I'm getting better. Your identity shapes habits. Habits shape your future. Here's the truth. You're not behind. You're not irresponsible. You just weren't taught this, and that's okay. Money growth doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen quietly when you stay consistent with tiny habits. Start with 1 habit today. Track money, save a little, delay 1 purchase. Do that for a month, then watch how your future self thanks you. If this helped you even a little, Like the video, subscribe for more student-focused self-improvement, and share it with a friend who's stressed about money. Your small daily actions are more powerful than you think. Start today. Your future self will high-five you.